What's up guys, and welcome back once again to the reviews. Today I'm going to be doing just a quick unboxing video. Basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm eventually going to be water cooling my main system, which is in this beast here, which is 7900X, 7900 XTX on a B650E-E board. So obviously I've got most of the components together already, but I've just got the GPU block for my 7900 XTX Red Devil. So I'm just going to give you an unboxing, have a look at it, see if it's something for you, if you're interested in water cooling your Red Devil. So I'll just show you through it basically, and that's it really. So let's have a look. So I've gone for the Alpha Cool. There's not many out there for the Red Devil 7900 XTX. I've gone for the Alpha Cool Core GPU block. They also do a normal sort of, I'm not sure what it's called, but they do, I'll put it up on the screen. They do like a cheaper version than this one, but I really like the look of this one, so that's why I went for it. Now these aren't cheap. This cost me £155 I think, or something like that, or £170, I can't remember. Again, on the screen and the link in the description below for you to have a look at. And then the other company that do one is EK, which is like £250, so it's a lot more money, and obviously I didn't want to spend that. Other than that, there isn't really anyone that makes one for that graphics card that as of the time of filming this. So let's have a quick look at it. It tells you like some dimensions in terms of where the layout is, in terms of the cold plate and that kind of thing. Really, not really that much that you need to know about it in terms of that. It's just kind of the way they've done their packaging, and there's nothing else to show you on the box really. So let's get this open. Installation instructions are there. Comes nicely packaged. First of all, let's have a quick look at what's in this accessory box. So if we open this up, we get basically all the stuff we need. We get a little spatula, some thermal paste, a little screwdriver, some sort of 3M adhesive things. I'm not sure what they are for, but we'll find that out. An ARGB adapter from like a JST plug to a normal 3-pin. Basically a tool for tightening the ports up, and then 2 blanking ports here as well. And then you get a few bags of thermal pads, which obviously you need to put on there, and then you get a new PCIe bracket to go on there. So let's have a look at the block itself. Now the first thing I want to say with this is it's absolutely mammoth. It's huge for a GPU block, and it weighs an absolute ton. It is literally, from the looks of it, milled from one complete piece of nickel plated copper. And as you can see, it's absolutely massive. As GPU blocks go, they're normally quite a bit smaller than the card itself, but it's not far off the actual size of it. And like I say, it weighs so much. I'll again put in the description if I can find out how much it actually weighs. So let's get out of the packaging and have a quick look. Try not to dirty it up too much. So here it is in all its glory, and you can see me. Hello. So yeah, it's basically one massive chunk of copper, which is nickel plated, and then a big chunk of plexiglass put over the top of it, acrylic, and obviously all screwed down, machine screws. It looks absolutely stunning. I'm really impressed with this. Obviously you got the ports up here as well, so you got in and out on both sides. Got the AMD Radeon logo on there. I'm not sure if that lights up. It doesn't look like it does, but it does have ARGB, which I'm not sure if you can see, but it literally runs down the bottom of the card here. And also you've got an ARGB cable on here to link that to your motherboard to sync the effects. You can see the sort of jet plate here, where all the fluid goes through. Cut out for the 3 8-pin PCIEs is up here as well, and it also comes with a nice thick, it's probably 2-3 mil thick, I assume, aluminium on the back as well, which looks really nice, just really understated with the Alpha Cool logo, and basically just completely black with the chrome fitting fitting ports up here. And then lastly you've got the Alpha Cool logo here. But that's really all I want to show you, just show you how mammoth this thing is. It's hard to obviously show you how much it weighs, but believe me, it weighs so much. I think it weighs more than a graphics card in its own feel, just by feeling it here. So yeah, it's an absolute beast. Probably going to need a GPU support for this one. But obviously stick around. We've got water cool videos coming up soon. Hopefully get around to this water cooling this system as soon as I can. But obviously I have other videos to do, and a job and family, things like that, so I can't always get straight onto it. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this was insightful. If you wanted to have a look at basically what this looked like, I don't think anyone else has really done this on YouTube yet, really shown this, so I thought I'd show you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon, and stick around for the upcoming water cooler building. Thanks for watching.